How should you go about writing a personal essay when you are applying for any college? Because these days many colleges they are asking for writing essay about yourself. This has just become one of the selection criteria. So, and understand the fact that you are not the only applicant to the college. There you are just one amongst the pool of applicants. Maybe thousands will be applying in the same college into the same course, and you are just one amongst them. So now it's your turn to impress your admission officer through your writing. So how you should go ahead, or how should you write your essay? So before writing the essay, know the purpose of your writing. Your purpose is going to or to get the admission into the particular college, into your desired course. That is the first purpose. And second, how to impress your admission officer. So of course you have to impress your admission officer through your writing, through your essay, and keep your admission officer hooked till the end via your story or your storyline itself. So how should you go about it? Do some preliminary work. See what the organization or the institution is about. What are the values that it stands for? So these are certain preliminary work that you have to do. And apart from that, always note that do not to add any irrelevant informations. Always add relevant informations into your story. And then do not say that I'm a very hard working, I'm very fun loving, or I love animals, or I am very sincere, I am very dedicated, I am very focused, and all those things. Nobody is going to pay much attention to that, but you should ensure that all those things will be replicated or will be reflected in your writing or in your essay. So, and also your achievements. Do not forget to add your achievements that you have made throughout your career till date. So that achievements are one of the most important thing that is going to keep or make you stand or give you a different place altogether amongst the rest of the crowd. So how can you build a story about yourself? So just point out or make note of couple of maybe keywords you can say around which you can write your story. Maybe you can start from your upbringing, then the values that you pay or give much importance to. Say for example, inspiration, or how have you been inspired, or how have you been stayed inspired through your career, and which of course have to be substantiated by your percentage that you have got. But what are the inspirations that you have got, by which you have got inspirations from? Maybe your parents or your grandparents, or the issues or the challenges or the struggles that you have faced, and you have cracked them, you have overcome all those struggles, and throughout the and you have learned through all the challenges, and that is so, and you have kept yourself inspired by successfully handling and overcoming all those challenges, and at the same time you have grown in your life. So just find out what is the main concept or the main key word that around which you want to build up your story. It might be one, and also you can take more than one also. It's totally up to you. So try to build up your story and know your strengths. So through your essay, just show or depict what are your strengths. If your strength is numbers, or if your strength is whatever, if your strength, like if your strength is public speaking, if your strength is writing, if your strength is narrating, if your strength is to whatever, like numbers, or if your strength is doing experimentations. So what is your exact strength, or a couple of strengths that you are good at, or if your strength is some extracurricular activities like singing, dancing. So what all are they? If your strengths are something apart from your academics, just state that. And what are the major achievements that you have achieved so far? Include everything, but in form of story, just not by mere stating that I am I'm very good at this, I'm very good at cooking, I'm very good at dancing, but show some that during the cultural activities for the year so and so I have participated and I have been able to secure the first prize in the school or inter college competition. So this shows that you have participated, and this shows your how much extrovert you are. So all these things, it will come forward, not by merely stating that I am very extrovert, I am very very smart person or whatsoever, but rather just try to give examples, give as many examples as possible, because through examples, if you show like how many times have you participated in various school competitions or sports competitions or debate competitions or what vocabulary competition, that means you are someone who is always growth minded, who looks for opportunities to grow himself or herself, and also believes in learning. So always, so just try to build the story around by giving the examples, by giving your viewpoints, and then build up your story including all of this. So like this you can give your build your story and write your personal essay. Thank you very much.